Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix paper jam in HP LaserJet M140w. So when you have a paper jam in this printer, you see this blinking exclamation mark on the control panel, which means something is wrong inside. So what you need to do, you need to open the scanning unit, so fold the output tray and push the scanning unit up, open it until it locks into place, and now remove the cartridge. Pull the handle up and towards you. Look at the printing drum. You're gonna need to clean the printing drum after you remove the jammed paper. This is your paper, and try to pull it downwards with your fingers. Try to not tear the paper sheet, or try to remove from other side. Do it very slowly, very gently. Help with another hand like this. That's it. Now put the cartridge back inside of the printer. So align it with the slots like this, and make sure that the text is placed correctly and faces you. So align cartridge with the slots in the printer, glide it down, push it back, and close the scanning unit. Wash your hands, and now let's clean the printing drum. To clean the printing drum, in this case, it's enough just to copy any document. Make sure you have a document on the scanning glass. Close the lid and press the copy button, a green one. That's it, no paper jams anymore, no flashing warning indicators. So let's take a look at your cartridge once again. Now the drum is cleaned, so you can place the cartridge back and you're all set. I hope this was helpful, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye, guys.